What if someone could secretly change your data, like your grades, the game scores, or money records? Sounds scary, right? That's what happens when one weak link controls everything. But worry no more. Blockchain fixes that. So, what's blockchain? Blockchain is a digital notebook no one owns alone. Instead of one company controlling it, like a bank or a server, it's shared across thousands of computers worldwide, so there's no single point to hack or fail. That's called a decentralized database. When you add data like sending crypto, it's locked into a block. Once it's in, no one can change or delete it, making fraud impossible. Plus, everyone can see the record, so it's totally transparent. Like an open book anyone can read but not scribble in. What's great about blockchain is it isn't just for crypto, it also tracks food shipments, powers apps without middlemen, and even secures contracts, all super fast and safe. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Blockchain is a decentralized database with no single owner. It stops data fraud, and it's transparent for all to see. Simple, secure, awesome. Curious how blockchain actually works? Jump into CryptoNanny, mess around with crypto, learn the ropes, and level up your skills, all without spending a dime. Oh, and if you want to dig deeper, there's a full article on the site that breaks it all down nice and easy. And if this made blockchain click for you, like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment. What's next on your crypto list?